Hello and welcome back. So in my last video, I spoke about high yield medication and pharmacology, and now I will be discussing high yield concepts in physiology. Neurophysiology. High yield concepts is the eye drawing, and I will be showing you in the eye picture that I'm referring to here. Make sure you are able, when they discuss a scenario, you know the manifestation, or if they tell you the manifestation, you know exactly where the blockage is going on. Next thing in neurophysiology, be able to picture in your mind the organization of the autonomic nervous system, which is basically the parasympathetic, sympathetic, and what are the neurotransmitters associated with each one. Cardiovascular Physiology, make sure you know the capillary and the interstitial and the pressures that plays a role in shifting things from the capillary into the interstitial, which is basically the oncotic pressure and the hydrostatic. Then we have the respiratory physiology. Lung volume is huge. Make sure you have the lung volume down. You know all of them, know the definition, and know the equations. Okay, not necessarily doing the math, but know the equation. Which volumes makes up what? Okay, and then we have renal physiology. Make sure you know all the hormones and their mechanism. If you only know the effect, that should be sufficient. For GI physiology, make sure you know the gastric cells, which are the parietal cell and the chief cell, which hormones they secrete, and then you need to know the hormones associated with the system and what are their effects, like secretin, gastrin, etc. Then we come to endocrine physiology. Now, this is really important. Make sure you know the parathyroid hormone, thyroid hormones, and what are their effects on the body. So the thyroid hormone, what do they do in general? If they are increased, then you have tachycardia, sweating, heat intolerance, and the opposite is basically the opposite of what I just said. Parathyroid hormones and what are the effects on the bone specifically. Make sure you know the insulin and be able to compare it with glucagon. Those are the topics that I thought were high yield concepts that I focused on when I was preparing for the exam. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. If you guys have suggestions, feel free to reach out to me on my email or on my IG account. You guys have a good day and see you later. Bye now.